Hello and welcome back, students. So in this lesson we will talk about tracing changes through 1,000 years. This is your history lesson. So in this lesson we will talk about the ancient history and the evidences based on what they are going to write about this lesson. Okay, they are following certain evidence and resources for writing this lesson. Okay, so according that they are predicting something and they are collecting some information from the various sources. Although in this lesson you will find out various things according that. So please watch this video till end. I hope you will understand this lesson. Thank you. Changes through 1,000 years. So dear students, in this lesson we will learn so many details about this tracing. Means the changes going on in our lessons. First, take a look of this picture. Take a look at the map. Was made in 1154 CE by the Arab geographer Al-Adirsh. Okay, he prepared the map during the period of when 1154 CE. In this map, you will find a section reproduced here is the detail of the Indian subcontinent from his larger map of the world. So in this picture you can see that there is an Indian subcontinent and top of that those are the island nations. For example, the biggest island at the top of the landmass, that is Sri Lanka and the other continents. Next, new and old testimonials. If the context in which information is produced changes with time, what about language and meaning? So as well as the historians, they ask about the if based on the time all the informations are changes, then what about the language and the meanings? Okay, that should be also going to be changed. So the next thing is historical records exist in a variety of language which have changed considerably over the period. Many things are changes based on time. As per the time being, many informations are going to be changed. Okay, the difference is not just the regard to grammar and vocabulary. The meaning of the word also change over time. Just to think about it, as per the time being, not only the information is going to change, their meaning, grammar, vocabulary, each and everything is going to be changed. Next is historians and their sources. Where the historians get the sources to write this kind of stories. Historians use different type of sources to learn about the past depending upon the period of their studies and the nature of their investigation. Based on the nature of the investigation, historians they can collect their sources and according that sources only they are able to prepare their records. So the next is new social and political group for new social and political groups. According that particular time, you can see if you are seeing the picture that is a spring. This was also a period of great mobility. Just to think about that period is particularly a great mobility time. Group of people travel long distance in search of opportunities. Why people are traveling from one place to another for looking in good opportunities which can improve their life. One group of people became important in this period were called Rajputs. Maybe you have heard this name before in India. People call them Rajput. Okay. Next, region and empire. As you can see in this diagram, this is a map prepared during the period of 1200 BC. Okay, during the period of 1266 to 1287, Delhi Sultan Gyanuddin Balban explained that he was the ruler of a vast empire. As per the Gyanuddin, okay, he explained that this total empire shown in this diagram he only ruled. By 700, many regions already possessed distinct geographical dimensions, etc. Okay, during the period of 700, okay, on that particular time, many small kingdoms they raised themselves and they became very strong and they possess their own geographical dimensions. So here We finish our lesson. I hope you will understand. For better understanding, because this is a history, if you are not reading the lesson carefully, you are not able to understand a single thing. Okay, first go through it. Okay, read and read. At least twice or thrice you can read. Then if you are facing any difficulty, you can consult with me. Okay, through message.